Programming languages. Symbolic programming language is a programming paradigm in which the program can manipulate its own formulas and program components as if they were plain data. Through symbolic programming, complex processes can be developed that build other intricate processes by combining smaller units of logic or functionality. Symbolic programs can effectively modify themselves and appear to learn, which makes them better and suited for artificial intelligence expert system, natural language processing, and computer games. Languages that support symbolic programming include the language Lisp and Prolong. SymPy, symbolic mathematics in Python. SymPy is a Python library used to represent the symbolic mathematics. SymPy is written entirely in Python and does not require any external libraries. Use this command pip install SymPy to install the SymPy. SymPy support to perform the mathematical operations such as algebraic manipulations, differentiation, integration, equation solving, and linear algebra. Now, mathematical operations using SymPy. To find rational number. The rational class represents a rational number as a pair of two integers, numerator and denominator. So, rational 5, 2 represents 5 by 2. So, when you go for this SymPy, you import SymPy as sim. Then you have a variable a is equal to sim dot rational of 1, 2. So, when I give rational of 1, 2, it means that it finds the rational number that you obtain when you divide 1 by 2. Some special constants EPIO considered as symbols and evaluate themselves. Evaluate evaluates the expression to a floating number. So you have various examples where you go with. When I say sim dot pi double star 2 pi star 2. So sim dot pi dot eval of f. So it evaluates the value and gives you the result. In a computer algebra systems in SymPy, you have to declare symbolic variables explicitly. So symbols methods also to declare as symbols. Now you have the representation to go for this symbols. Next, calculus, differentiation and integration. Differentiation and integration can help us solve many types of real world problems. Derivatives are met in many engineering and science problems, especially when modeling the behavior of moving objects. Calculus, limit in Python. With the help of SymPy.limit method, we can find the limit of any mathematical expression. For example, limit f of x tends to a. So limit of expression, comma variable, comma value. So when you go for giving this expression, the mathematical expression on which the limit operation is to be performed, that is given as f of x. Variable, it is a variable in a mathematical expression, that is x. Value, it is a value to which the limit tends to, which is a. Returns the limit of the mathematical expression under given conditions. Limit method. An example has been given for limit method, where when you look at this example, the f of x expression is given as sin x by x. Okay, the variable that is defined as x and the value, the limit that was given as 0. So now the expression that has to be found is limit extending to 0 of sin x by x. So this expression has been evaluated and we get the value as 1. Differentiate any SymPy expression using diff method. So it is differentiation in Python. So diff function comma variable. So when you give a function and the variable, it will differentiate and give the value. Now the example that has been given as 3x square plus 1. So when you differentiate that 3x square plus 1, the result that we obtain is 6x. Series is in Python. With the help of simpy.series method, we can find the series of some mathematical functions and trigonometric expressions by using simpy.series method. This returns a series of functions. For example, here we are asking to return the cos x series. So when you return this cos x series, it has been given and the output has been derived. Integration in Python. Simpy.integrate method. We can find the integration of mathematical expression in the form of variables. The syntax has been given. Simpy.integrate of expression comma reference variable. So here we have given sin x into expression of x. So we'll get integrated and it will be the result will be given. Next, algebraic manipulations. Simpy is capable of performing powerful algebraic manipulations. Most frequently used algebraic manipulations are expand and simplify. Expand is a method that is used in Python. We can expand the mathematical expression in the form of variables by using simpy.expand method. We have given an example has been given. So the expression that has to be expanded is x plus y the whole square. So when we know the formula for x plus y the whole square as x square plus 2xy plus y square. So when I ask to expand, it is expanding and giving the result. Simplify in Python. We can simplify any mathematical expression using simplify method. So here the expression that has to be simplified is sin square x plus cos square x. So when you simplify this expression using the simplify method, it simplifies and gives the result as 1. Trig_simp in Python. So this is used for trigonometric identities. So it is the mathematical expression which needs to be simplified, will be simplified. So here the trigonometric expression sin square x plus cos square x has been given and it has been solved and the result has been given as 1. Now Python simpy solving equations. Equations are solved with solve set. So when you go for this equation solving, we have the function eq of x plus 1 comma 3 where we have to solve it. Now when you go for solving this, you get the result. Simpy. We can work with matrices. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers or other mathematical objects for which operations such as addition and multiplication are defined. So this has been computed. Now different functionalities with different examples has been given to look over.